Do you know what is UDL? Actually, the UDL is a framework. It was originally conceived by researchers at the Center for Applied Special Technologies in the late 1980s, aiming to help students with disabilities in general education classrooms. Now it helps all learners to improve learning and achieve equity and inclusion in education. As an effective learning and teaching method, UDL helps to remove and reduce barriers to learning. It also helps to create a flexible learning environment with various resources and diverse forms of presentation of learning outcomes. The framework is based on 3 key principles. Engagement means that teachers should offer different forms of participation to stimulate learning interest and enthusiasm. Presentation refers to delivering information in different formats such as video, text or podcasts to achieve the learning goals. Finally, it is important to provide a variety of ways for different learners to act and express themselves. In the last 2 years, due to the epidemic's impact, teaching modes have changed dramatically. The demand for online learning and teaching has increased. But how do you implement an online course using UDL? Here, we look at these 3 areas. Before the lesson, you need to identify the course objectives, the technology to be used, and the learning environment to be accessed. Next, predict students' barriers to learning, such as lack of understanding of course tasks and materials, and then use current resources to support and address these issues. Then make sure all learning materials are accessible and the information is presented in a variety of ways. During a class, offer a variety of ways to engage in learning. For example, the forums in Moodle or chat rooms in Zoom can engage in group discussions, and Google Docs or Miro can facilitate collaborative learning. Additionally, allow students to choose how they access content and decide when and how they learn. And allow students to present their work using different tools or formats, which could be a paper, a video, or a product prototype. After class, provide a space for students to reflect on their online learning. For example, use a wiki to record learning trajectories or project progress. Use questionnaires to understand students' needs and learning barriers to inform improvements in teaching methods. Furthermore, provide rubrics for students to assess themselves. And enhance communication with counterparts to gain more experience and methods to improve teaching and learning. Now you have a basic understanding of UDL. Thank you for watching.